This video shows agar plug diffusion assays for antibiotic production by our soil bacteria. Our soil bacteria have now sporulated on MYM and SFM media. We prepare overnight cultures of our indicator bacteria in nutrient broth. We use M. luteus, E. coli DS941, and the chloramphenicol-resistant E. coli DS941 containing the plasmid PSB1C3. A third E. coli strain, MG1655, may also be used. We use a sterile loop to pick a single colony and inoculate into our broth. Our cultures are grown overnight, shaking at 30 degrees centigrade. PSB1C3 makes E. coli red due to expression of the red fluorescent protein. Lawns of our indicator bacteria are prepared just as we did on day 3. 100 microliters of our overnight culture is spread on the surface of a nutrient agar plate. For the soil bacteria I have grown, I will need 4 lawns of each indicator strain. Carry on and make lawns for the rest of your indicator bacteria. Label the bottom of the plates to indicate the positions of the soil isolate agar plugs you will use, and whether these came from SFM or MYM media. In addition to M. luteus and DS941 with and without PSB1C3, I am using another E. coli strain, MG1655, which is sensitive to streptomycin. Instead of a cork borer, I am using a sterile inverted P1000 tip to cut discs in the agar plates. I first cut discs from the SFM plate with soil isolate A. With a fresh sterile tip, I carry on to do soil isolate B. Sometimes the agar plug gets stuck in the tip. If this happens to you, get a fresh tip and carry on. We now cut agar discs from soil isolates A and B from MYM plates. We require one agar disc for each indicator bacteria we are using. It is worthwhile to do a few spares. We now cut discs for soil isolates C and D from MYM plates. And then C and D from SFM plates. We are now ready to set up our antibiotic production assays by transferring agar discs from our SFM and MYM plates onto our indicator bacteria lawns. Carefully lift your plug and place gently onto the correctly labeled position on your lawn. Make sure you sterilize your forceps between each operation. Once soil isolate A from SFM is complete, we can go on to do soil isolate B. Soil isolates C and D from SFM are done in exactly the same way. This section of the video is shown sped up ×4. We now do the same all over again with the agar discs from MYM plates. Again, I will speed this video up, this time ×20. Discs for soil isolates H and I are also placed on bacterial lawns. Plates with E. coli bacterial lawns are incubated at 37 degrees. Those with M. luteus are grown at 30 degrees. Ensure you wash your hands thoroughly when you are finished.